How to take screenshots on mobile phone. Trick to take screenshot on mobile phone. I'm going from how to do it, and today we're gonna talk about the main 3 ways you can take screenshot of anything on your mobile phone. First of all, like, share and subscribe for get more videos. Now begin the video. First of all, many times you see that, one second, remove my, check out this one. Many people do a thing that they swipe like this and screenshot has been taken. You can check out, you can edit it, you can save or share it. If you want to share with anyone, you can just share, or you can save if you want. But what they do, they use 3 fingers and swipe on the screen like this, and this is great. So that's the way you can take screenshot. And if you want to do more things, you can do a thing is that, one second, you can press lock and volume down or up button at a time like this. Screenshot has been taken. Hope you understood that how we can take screenshot on our mobile phones. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for getting more videos like this.